Hi, boys and girls. Okay, now we're going to start with activity number 4. And activity number 4 is going to be a little different than what you may see on the paper that was in the printed document. Okay, now some of the links that I have on the Schoology for activity 4 will show you and give you information on making the word families. There are just a couple friends in our class that might benefit from that. Most of us need to practice in matching our capitals with our lowercase. So I'm not going to talk about how they have the pictures with the hanger, with the toilet paper or paper towel rolls put on the hanger. Okay, and they turn them to make new words. That's great and wonderful. That's kind of a little ahead for us, okay? So what I'm going to talk about are using the plastic eggs that we have seen in the stores. Actually, I guess we haven't been out, have we? That we maybe got in our Easter baskets from the Easter Bunny. They were around our yard from the Easter Bunny or in our Easter baskets. Well, these eggs can be used to help us to become a better learner. So we can practice remembering what capital goes with what lowercase letter, okay? Now you'll need your family to help write the letters. Family's what I did on 1/2. I wrote, I chose 5 letters and I wrote the capitals, okay? So it's kind of hard to see. If I do it in order, then you can see it a little bit better, okay? Now I learned as I was doing this to make them larger and don't do them smaller. Like I started with the A and the E, they're kind of little bitty. Bigger is better, but I got 5 on 1 egg. Now the lowercase portion is on the large part, okay? Now I made sure when I was doing it that I lined it up so everything would go together. Now boys and girls, as you're trying to match them, you're not going to be able to snap it closed yet. You have to kind of gently twist it very carefully to see where it goes. Do you know what letter that is? What is that? That's right, C. What sound does C make? K, k. Good. What about, oops, that doesn't go, does it? What if I turn it like, ah, hold up. Does that go? No. Let me turn this around. It's a little hard to do. I feel like I'm standing on my head here. Okay, doing it into the camera thing. Okay. So, there we go. There's C and Q. Does that go together? No. Okay, so I'm going to turn this. What is that? Q and Q. What sound does Q make? Qu, qu, qu. I'm going to turn this. There we go. What letter is that? S. S. As in a snake. What is this? E. What sound does E make? Eh, 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 eh. And that's A. What sound does A make? Ah, ah, ah. Very good. Okay. So what you can do, you can use all sorts of colors. You can put about 5 on an egg. You can do just 2 or 3 on an egg. It doesn't matter, whatever you want to do. If you have lots of eggs, then you could just do 1 per egg. What matters though is that you get some practice in, okay? Matching the capitals with the lowercase. Now when I know I have it, or if I want to see, I have to kind of snap it and push it together. You don't want to push too hard, okay? Then I can see my capitals and my lowercase are kind of beside each other. It's kind of hard to get it just right when you're writing. So however your family does it, that's wonderful. No worries. Okay, friends? Now, that is one way for us to practice matching our capital and our lowercase letters. Okay? So it entails a Sharpie and some of these good plastic eggs. Okay? And have fun matching them up, and you can even search for them around the house. And if there's numerous yellow ones, then you can see, okay, which yellow ones go together. Just because they're yellow, they may not go together. You have to look at the letters. Kind of tricky, yeah. So, and there's different ways you can actually then use the eggs. You don't have to use the letters on the outside. What you may want to do is to put something on the inside, like to cut out a picture of something. And then when you open it, you could see, oh, wait a minute. That is a bee. That little picture that I cut out and put in there, or someone cut out and put in there, it's a bee. B, 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 b. What letter is that? B, b. What letter does B start with? A B. And then you can find your B on your egg. So you can kind of change it up and do what's fun, kind of make it a little different. Okay, friends? So that's activity number 4. Thanks, guys. Bye. One more.